In 2026, the world of motorhomes has completely redefined what it means to travel in style. The once humble RV has now become a symbol of ultimate luxury, powered by elite engineering and wrapped in iconic branding. Today, we unveil the top 3 luxury motorhomes of 2026 from none other than Ferrari, Mercedes-Benz, and Lamborghini, 3 names that were once reserved for exotic cars but are now setting a new standard in mobile opulence. Let's begin this tour of futuristic elegance on wheels with a name that evokes speed, status, and Italian craftsmanship. Ferrari F-Motion Touring GT, the prancing horse meets the highway. Ferrari shocked the world in 2026 by entering the luxury motorhome scene with the F-Motion Touring GT, a sleek, aerodynamically sculpted motor coach that combines Formula One-inspired design with high-end travel comfort. Crafted entirely in Maranello, Italy, this red beast isn't just about performance, it's a rolling penthouse. The exterior features active aero components and signature Ferrari curves. Its bold front fascia is unmistakably Ferrari, but elongated to support a larger chassis while maintaining supreme balance. The F-Motion sits low but powerful, built on a reinforced carbon fiber aluminum composite frame that keeps the weight down without compromising strength. Under the hood, or more appropriately, under the floorboards, Ferrari has equipped the Touring GT with a hybrid V12 powertrain pushing out over 1,000 horsepower, assisted by electric motors for smooth, silent cruising when needed. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a supercar that tows your living room. Step inside, and you're greeted with handcrafted Italian leather, carbon fiber accents, and a 360-degree panoramic smart glass roof. The entire motorhome is voice-controlled via Ferrari's custom, Cavallino, AI interface. One command and the lighting dims, the temperature adjusts, and your favorite music begins to play through the 26-speaker Dolby Atmos surround system. The cabin boasts a wine fridge made by Smeg, a pop-up espresso bar, and fully reclining memory foam beds wrapped in Alcantara. There's also a retractable patio deck that slides out from the side, featuring built-in sun loungers and a foldable awning made from carbon fiber fabric. Starting at $3.9 million, the Ferrari F-Motion Touring GT is reserved for those who want their vacations at the speed of luxury. Mercedes-Benz Vision Luxliner 9000, the future of opulent travel. Next up, Germany's answer to luxury reimagined, the Mercedes-Benz Vision Luxliner 9000, a monument to comfort, intelligence, and innovation on wheels. The Luxliner 9000 is the most advanced and autonomous luxury motorhome Mercedes has ever created. Based on their heavy-duty Maybach touring platform, this vehicle combines the brand's most luxurious design language with cutting-edge self-driving capabilities. The exterior is pure Mercedes, sleek, minimalist, and futuristic. It features adaptive LED paneling that changes color based on time of day and driving mode. Smart glass lines the sides and ceiling, with electrochromic tinting for privacy or natural light. Powering the Luxliner 9000 is a fully electric EQ power drivetrain, producing the equivalent of 850 horsepower with a massive 600-mile range on a single charge, thanks to its solid-state battery and regenerative solar roof that passively recharges during daylight hours. Inside, Mercedes has taken inspiration from private jets and luxury spas. The living area transforms into a digital lounge with haptic feedback seating, a 77-inch rollable OLED display, and ambient scent diffusion. A biometric entry system personalizes the experience as soon as you step in, adjusting seat settings, playlists, and even lighting color based on your mood and vitals. There's a private bedroom with a zero-gravity sleep pod, a smart shower that tracks water usage and temperature, and a galley kitchen with Mealy smart appliances. The motorhome's AI assistant, Stella, ensures your journey remains seamless, suggesting stops, checking weather patterns, and even ordering supplies autonomously when low. Mercedes has redefined mobility with the Vision Luxliner 9000, which starts at $2.7 million. It's not just a vehicle, it's a 5-star hotel suite that drives itself. Lamborghini Veloce Strada V12X, aggression meets extravagance. Lamborghini's Veloce Strada V12X isn't just a luxury motorhome. It's a rolling piece of aggressive art. Unveiled at the 2026 Geneva Motor Show, it turned heads with its angular, stealth bomber styling and unmistakable Lamborghini DNA. The Veloce Strada is powered by a naturally aspirated V12 engine with mild hybrid support, delivering over 950 horsepower and all-wheel drive control. Its launch control system allows this mammoth to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.8 seconds, making it the fastest accelerating motorhome in history.